Hello all. Today I will demonstrate you how to use button, text view and toast in Android Kotlin. So let's start developing Android Studio project. First of all, you can click on start new Android Studio project. Then you can choose the empty activity. Then you can just give the name of your application. I'm just giving the name of my application is Hello Toast. Then you can choose the language. I'm choosing the Kotlin. Why? Because I want to demonstrate you in Kotlin. So once you choose the language, then you can click on finish. Let me clear what I want to do in this project. I want the two button. One is for the toast, another is for the counter. Whenever user click on that counter button, I want to increment that particular counter into text view. So first of all, I need a clear design. So I'm just moving to the activity main.xml. Here you can just click and you can click on show system UI. So it will display the system UI. This is changed from the version Android Studio version 4.0 onwards. Now you can just hide this panel. Now you can click on the split so that your design and the preview both will be launched. Now you can just remove this text view. Now I want to take a one button over here, so I'm just moving the drag and drop on the top left corner, and you can just click on the infer constraint. Then I want that button to be stretched width wise, fully stretched with the emulator width. So here you can just write the match parent and your button will be fully stretched. Now I want a one more button on the bottom left corner. So I'm just moving drag and drop the second button over here. Whenever you put this button, again you need to click on the infer constraint to put into constraint layout. Now again I'm just changing the width, that is match parent. So your width will be match parent. Now I want to give some background to this button. So here you can simply write background and you can just set the color, that is for example primary dark. So your primary dark color will be set to this button background. Then you can set the text color by calling the property text color. Here you can mention has FFF. So your white color will be your text color. Then here you can just write the text, that is display toast. Then you can just set the text style, that is bold. So it will be looking fine. Now the same thing, that background color and style I want to set to my second button. So I'm just copying this and you can paste into your second button. In second button I want to repeat all this. I just want to change the text. So I'm just changing the text, that is counter. So whenever user click on the counter, I want to just set the update the value on in text view. So here you can take one more control, and that is text view. I'm just dragging drop the text view, and here you can put it into the below the button, that is display toast, right? Then you can click on the infer constraint and then you can resize your text view. I'm just resizing it with the full screen width. Right now I want that this text view content should be in the center of the screen, right? So here you can set the property, that is gravity. Gravity is used to set the content inside the view, in particular gravity mode, like a center, bottom. Here you can set the so many value like this, say center, bottom, center, horizontal. I'm just using the center. Right now here you can increase the size. I'm just setting the text to style, that is bold. Here you can write call the text size, for example 120 dp. And now I just want the text view, I want the 0 over here. So whenever user click on the counter, I want to increment this counter value over here, right? But here you can just check that there is a margin. uh, right now this button is directly attached with my action bar. So I want the margin top in between this. Whenever you want to set the margin on top side, here you can call the property, that is margin top. Margin top. For example, 5 dp. But what happened over here, margin is set over here. uh, this margin is set in the button, that is 1 dp. I want to set the 5 dp. See, margin is set with the 5 dp, but I don't want the margin only over here. I want the margin all over my controls, right? So here you can just remove this, and that margin property you can set inside your layout. So I'm just setting the margin, that is 5 dp. So my all the controls having the total margin, that is 5 dp. It will be left, bottom, right, and top. Now you can just simply execute this application, and you can check into your emulator that is it looking properly or not. Now you can just check. See, there are two buttons. One is the display toast, another is the counter, and this is the text view. Whenever user click on display toast, I want to put the toast message over here, that is Atmiya University. And whenever user click on the counter, I want to just increment the value of this text view. So whenever you want to write the code for this, you just need ID of that particular button. This button is the button number 1. Here you can simply call on click method. On click is the attribute. Here you just need to name the name of your method. So I'm just writing here method name is show toast. There is no method like show toast is available in my main activity. Here you just need to press alt enter, and you can just choose this option, that is create show toast in main activity. So what it will do, it will create the function show toast over here. Now here you can call your toast. So I'm just writing here toast dot make text is a function which has the 3 argument. One, where you want to print the message, that is your context, right? So I'm just writing here application context. The second argument, that is what you want to display. So I'm just printing the message, that is Atmiya University. And for how much duration that you want to display, here you can use the two property. One is the toast dot length underscore long and length underscore show. I'm just using the length underscore long, and then you can simply call show function to display the toast. Now you can just execute your application, and you can just test and check it is working properly or not. Whenever you click on display toast, what happens? See, Atmiya University message is coming over here. Now whenever I click on the counter, I want to increment the value over here, right? And for this, what we need to do here in the button number 2, now here in button number 2, we can call another property, that is on click. Now we will just call the method, that is increment value. Here you can just press alt enter and create the increment value function in main activity. So what it will do, it will simply create the function increment value function over here. Now we need to retrieve the value of the text view in variable. So I'm just writing here one variable I is equal to, here you can get the value from the text view using text view dot text dot, you can just call to string dot to integer. So it will convert the value into integer. Now you can simply change the text view dot set text, and here you can simply write the value of your variable but incremented value, right? So I'm just writing here $, and you can simply write plus I. What it will do, it will simply increment the value of the I, and it will be added to the text view. Let's see it is working properly or not, right? So what I did, let's just check. So whenever you click on the counter, see the value of the text view is incremented by 1. Whenever you increment by 1, and the value will be available over here. Whenever you click on the display toast, the message Atmiya University is coming over here. So this is the way you can implement button, toast, and text view in your application. That's it from my side. Thank you for listening me. Thank you all.